It's day 5. I didn't upload day 4 yesterday. I still need to upload it, so you'll get day 4 and day 5 today. But yeah, today's day 5 of the Christmas makeup. I think, I don't know. But yeah, gotta show you guys my inspiration picture. This is, oh, it's not even on camera. This is the goal. Probably won't look as good, but we're going to try. These are kind of new. I've just had them for a hot minute, but haven't really used them. Got this palette, Ace Beauty. It's like very bright and colorful, so I thought that would be good for like doing like the Christmas lights. And I also have this water activated eyeliner, and I haven't really used it, so thought I would give that a try. It's from a small business. Super cute. Yeah, and I have like a lot of the same stuff I'm gonna use. Like I have like this face, like blush and highlighter palette thing. Okay, now I think I have everything. Oh, I look insane. So yeah. I have makeup wipes in case I mess up, because I probably will. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do for like an eye look, since I'm gonna be drawing those like Christmas lights everywhere. I'll show you guys again. So, will I do lashes? I might just do mascara. I haven't been doing lashes lately because I'm just not in the mood. So I'll probably just do like the same Dollar Tree mascara that I did in my last video, but you guys haven't seen that yet. Well, you will see it because I'll upload 2 videos today. So, yeah. Doesn't look like she has much on her eyes. Maybe like some highlighter and like shimmery shadow for the eyes and eyeliner. And fake lashes, of course, but I'm probably not going to do lashes because I'm not in the mood. So, like, it takes me forever. So, yeah. So, let me look and see if there's just like a shimmery shade I can do on my eye. There's like a nude shade and some gold. I could probably use some highlighter from here on my eye too. And then like this nude beach color. Alright, well I gotta put some like foundation stuff on. Of course, I like to wipe my face sometimes before I do my makeup. Not all the time, but sometimes. Because it like quickly, like a quick way to clean your face real quick before you do your makeup. Blender this time and not like a brush. So yeah, let's get into it. Like put it all over and then probably use some highlighter as well. I didn't put foundation on my face. I am getting ahead of myself. I don't know what I'm doing. Wow, I was like gonna go. I mean, I could do eyes before foundation, but that's just not how I do it. blends in very well. Just doing the same on the other eye with that like nude color. Can't really see it because of the lighting, but it's all over. I'm gonna go in with some highlighter from this old face palette. This middle highlighter. And like maybe like in the inner corner. It's kind of hard using the camera as like a mirror. This never really used water activated stuff, so might completely flop because I don't know what I'm doing. This angle brush from like the Fruity Pebbles brushes. Trying to on some eyeliner with it. Using black from that palette, that eyeliner palette. It works. It's kind of like the same as like when you use eyeshadow as your eyeliner. Yeah, that's using the water activated liner. Kind of cute and easy. Kind of has like the same, kind of looks like I used like a eye pencil. The other eye. It's always difficult. Unnecessarily difficult. It looks kind of messy on that eye. Not as neat. Okay. Still kind of messy. And like, do I want to do this a million times like I did last time? Or do I just want to say it's okay? Might be one of those videos where I do the same thing a million times. Good enough for now. Okay, I'm gonna do lashes with just a dollar store mascara. It's just like plain. Crazy hair. But there's a dollar store mascara, not bad. Okay, now fine for the hard stuff. I think using this would be good to like just draw the wiggly lines across my face. But I kind of want to add blush, and I think I should do blush first before I draw the lines. So going in with this blush palette, if I can open it. Maybe do like a roll. Maybe this color blush. Maybe that's kind of the color that's stained on here. Oh, that's a lot. I don't think I need a ton of blush. But it always happens that way. This lighting is so awkward. Okay, then I'm just gonna go in with this. It's like a dollar store eyeliner, and kind of do like that wiggly Christmas lights across my face. Maybe use more of the water activated liner to do the individual lights. Yeah. I feel like it'll be easy if I just use this. I've never really done anything like this, so this is like very like nerve-wracking. Because I feel like it's gonna end up either really good or really bad. Just got liner all over my face. Okay. I'm trying something new. Oh no, I'm gonna get it everywhere. Okay, don't panic. Do not panic. Do not panic. We're fixing it. That's why we got makeup wipes. Gotta make sure it's not smeared. But trust the process. I'm gonna get my blush back on my nose. Okay, so I'm thinking, well, maybe I use the white liner because she kind of had like white dots and then put like eyeshadow around it or something. See, so I'm gonna attempt to do that because there's a white liner in here. I think once I add the lights onto it, it might look, I'll clean it up a little bit because it looks kind of weird right now. It's just like a line of eyeliner across my face. Okay. So I don't know. Okay. We got a dot. I mean, it's more like a line because of the brush I'm using. It's like little icicles, it looks like. I'm excited, but I also don't know how this is gonna look. It's like a loop right there. I have a big freaking sit right there. I'm like freaking out. My skin is not used to doing makeup all the time. So it's like, what the heck? It's like white paint. See where it's at so far. I don't know. I don't want to get my hopes up and then it turns out like crazy. But I am excited. Okay, so now it's like all white dots all over. So now I'm gonna use this colorful palette to do like the Christmas lights because I think this is good. Has a lot of different colors. Okay. Fuck my eyeliner, it looks a little wonky. But I'm okay, so we should do like red, like this. Oh my god, I can't like show it on the right side, like that red. And there's like green, yellow. It's like a lot of different colors that are good for like Christmas light colors. It's kind of cute. Okay, so now I'm probably gonna go like green. Green. That's what I'm going in with. It's starting to look like Christmas lights. It's so cute. Or maybe I can make it because there's like a gold color, so I can make it like gold. It's looking really cute. Like an orange, or should I do like this like yellow gold? Should I do like yellow? I think I might do yellow. So I feel like orange is a little too similar to red, and I don't want them getting like mixed. So I'll do like a yellow next. I gotta add more colors to the loop. I already added yellow to it, but I need to add like green and all those other colors. Looks cute. Yay! It turned out okay. I wish I used lips. I think the person in the picture had like nude lips on, like a brown or something. But I don't know what I want to do for my lipstick. I want to add more shadow to my eyes, maybe like some of that gold color maybe. And get more shimmery. Just do more highlighter everywhere all over my lid. Maybe I'll do that. So it's more shimmery up here. Add more of that highlighter. nude lip gloss. I've used it in other videos before. Everything. I did mascara, did eyeliner. Let's see how this looks. My crazy hair. Eyeliners are kind of wonky up here a little bit, but not horrible. I'm okay with it. Super cute. Okay, I'm glad that went good. So yeah, we used these two to get this done. And yeah, it looks really good, really cute. So about it. You'll get 2 videos today.